Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to my channel Let's See. This is Vanshika and I will be here to guide you through this journey of unleashing your coding potential. So join me and let's see together. To start with, what is C? It is one of the most popular and used general purpose programming languages. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie for Unix operating systems. This was to beat the issues of previously used languages such as B and BCPL. In fact, many versions of the Unix operating systems were replaced and written in the language C. In the present day, it runs on many different hardware platforms and OSs such as Microsoft and Linux. Why to learn C? Well, that's because it's one of the most popular programming languages in the world. C is like the basic version of programming languages, like phonic sounds are of alphabets. If we know the phonic sounds of alphabets, it gets easier for us to learn pronunciation of different words. Similarly, C makes it very easy for us to learn other popular languages such as Java and Python. It is very versatile and it can be used in both application as well as technologies. Arduino, for example, it is an electronic prototyping platform which enables users to create interactive electronic objects. Even that uses the language C. And that is the reason why C is recommended to all engineering students. So without further ado, let's get started. To start, we need a compiler. It is used to convert our program into something more executable, which the computer understands. And the second thing that we need is a text editor to write our program in. But what I recommend here is use of onlinegdb.com. It is a website which is a one-stop solution to all that we need. I find it better because it is online, so we don't need to download a software, and that we can save our work in the website itself. So it saves a lot of memory space in our system. So let's open onlinegdb.com on our web browser. To log in, there are various ways that one can use: your Google account, Facebook account, GitHub, or your email and password. I am going to use my Google account to log in. There, all done. So to start with, we are going to look at the very basic code, which is about printing hello world, which is written over here. Look at the first line. This is our header file library. It contains definitions of certain functions that we are going to use in our program. Printf, for example. This makes our life easier so that we don't have to define the functions in our program, and it also adds functionality to it. Line number 2 over here is simply a white space or a blank space. C ignores white spaces. The reason we have entered it here is to make our code more readable. Line number 3. Here we are calling our main function. The main function indicates that whatever is written inside of these two curly brackets will be executed. Next up, we'll call our printf function. Printf function is used to print text onto the screen, so whatever we write inside of the double inverted commas will be printed. In this case, we are printing hello world. Now, the point to be noted here is every C statement always has to end with a semicolon. The reason is, as we know, C ignores blank spaces. So there has to be some way we tell in our program that this is the end of a statement and we are moving on to the second one. Return 0 ends our main function, but we must not forget to close the curly brackets to actually end the main function. So this is the end of our code. To run this, we must ensure that the language is set to C, and we click the green run button over here. And this is our output, which says hello world. This is what we wanted to print. Thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and ring the bell icon. Come on, it's free. And do come back for more content on C. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.